Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change leverage on Tradingview paper trading. This is super useful if you want to practice strategies with different leverage levels without risking real money. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to open up your Tradingview chart. At the very bottom, you'll see the trading panel. And all you have to do is just click it to bring up the options. And from here, select paper trading to connect your simulated account. Once you're inside the paper trading panel, you want to look for this icon. You want to open this. And from here, you can choose the leverage level you want. Remember, higher leverage equals bigger position size with the same balance, but also bigger risk. Lower leverage means more conservative, smaller risk per trade. Paper trading is the perfect place to test these settings safely before applying them to real markets. That's it. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.